Problem 1.11. This tests the concepts. The question is, which of the following, which of the Schrodinger equations is applicable to all non-relativistic quantum mechanical systems? So the key word here is all non-relativistic quantum mechanical systems. So the fact that we want to look for an equation that's applicable to all of the systems clearly tells us that it's only the time-dependent Schrodinger equation that can be applied to all the systems. The time-independent one can be applied only to certain systems, but not all of them. So the answer is clearly B, only the time-independent equation.